Hi again, this is Hanif from Yujo Izakaya. Just checking in to pass you guys an update on what's happening with our solar roof installation here at Yujo. We have some great news to share from this week. We have heard that the contract has been signed with Equator Solar for our rooftop. Yay! And the initial batch of funds have been raised. So orders have been placed for the panels and inverter, and we are looking at having everything up here in a few months if all goes well, about 12 weeks. So we're stoked for that. And I wanted to share a little bit about our situation and why I'm so happy that this has happened during this time. We're experiencing a lot of pressure on the prices of inputs for the restaurant from a bunch of different angles. One that we've seen is through the prices of wheat flour. A lot of grains for Uganda and East Africa are coming from the Ukraine, where there's a bubbling crisis that's been going on, as I'm sure you're all well aware. And so these grains have affected the price of flour, which goes into our noodles, our dumplings, and a bunch of different things through our menu. And so those have just started creeping up, and I think it's going to keep happening through this year. And also, more importantly, maybe energy costs is the oil and gas prices and resulting electricity prices because of use of fossil fuels in Uganda to generate a portion of electricity is also affecting our energy prices quite significantly. So, man, the installation of these panels is really going to make a big difference for us and for the tenants around the entire compound to offset the amount of carbon we're putting out into the environment and to help keep our costs down for all our businesses. So we're really looking forward to having this happen soon. And to those of you who are still considering your investment into this project by enPower.life, we hope that you do take the opportunity to join in for the last set of fundraising that's going to be going on going forward. And yeah, we're looking forward to having this installed on this roof right here behind us. I'm recording from up here where the three roofs you can see above Banange Breweries and Yujo Izakaya is the location right where everything's going to sit and be churning out all that electricity from the sun for us. So yeah, bye for now, and we'll share more soon.